friends, it's Kelly, and welcome to this week's Aldi Finds for the week of January 28th. We have tail-waggin finds, game day wins, and stress-free organizing. Now let's get started. Our first section is the apparel, shoes, and accessories section. Our first item is the Crane Premium Athleta Shore Pullover. It comes in black, cream, or red, $12.99. Next up, we have the licensed children's character Valentine's Day pullover. You can get Mickey, Minnie, Paw Patrol, Spidey, and Stitch, $7.99. We have the Sarah Fitness hair accessories. You can choose from the 4-pack curly hair ties. It comes in black, blue, or gray. We have the flower claw clip. Comes in aqua, black, or off-white. Or you can get the lay down claw clip. It comes in aqua, gray, green, or off-white. $2.99. The last item in this section is the Sarah Plush Full Zip Jacket, and that comes in black or white for $14.99. Now we're moving right along into the home and decor section. We just have one item here, and it is the Kirkton House furniture cover. I put a picture of each cover. We have the armchair, the sofa, and the love seat, and all three of them come in beige, dark gray, or light gray, and they are $14.99 each. Now we're heading into the home improvement section. First up, we have the Kirkton House Bag Saver. It comes in black or silver for $6.99. We have the Kirkton House Bag Organizer. That's $6.99 as well. Next up, we have the Kirkton House Bamboo Bag Organizer. It comes in dark or light brown, $14.99, and I have the light brown and I love it. We have the Kirkton House Bamboo Wrap Organizer, and that comes in dark or light brown as well, and I do have this one as well, and it's $14.99. We have the Kirkton House Stackable Bins. It comes in black or gold, $9.99. And we have the Kirkton House Undershelf Bin, and that comes in black and gold as well for $9.99. We have the Kirkton House Kitchen Cabinet Organizer. You can get the bakeware helper, the helper shelf, or the lid sorter, only $8.99. We have the Kirkton House Kitchen Towel Holder. You can get the bar or the hook set in black or chrome for $4.99. And friends, I'm not sure, but if you look at that bar holder, it looks like that might be adjustable width-wise, so it may work on a smaller cabinet. Next up, we have the Kirkton House Magnetic Organizer. You can choose from basket, hooks, paper towel holder, or rack, only $4.99 each. And we have the Kirkton House Slide Out Drawer. It comes in black or silver, $14.99. And the last item in this section is the Kirkton House Slide Out Organizer. You can choose from basket or bakeware, $29.99. Now we're moving into the kitchen supplies section. First up, we have the Adventure Ridge 40-ounce vacuum insulated bottle. It comes in black, coral, cream, or red, $9.99. We have the Ambiano triple slow cooker. It comes in beige or blue, $39.99. This would be great for the upcoming football. What is it called? The Super Bowl. I was going to say the football championship. The Super Bowl, $39.99. We have the Ambiano vacuum sealer, $19.99. And we have the vacuum sealer bags, and they come in 11 by 16 or 8 by 20, only $9.99. We have the Crofton 10-inch cast iron deep skillet, $14.99. That's a good price. That's really deep, too. We have the Crofton 9-quart SS stock pot for $29.99. And we have the Crofton air fryer liners for $6.99. And we have the Crofton ceramic bowls with serving tray. You can get football or helmet, $9.99. And we also have the Crofton pizza pan. There are two different pans to choose from. They both come in gold or gray. You have the deep dish or the regular for $4.99. We have the Crofton chip tray, $4.99. And the last item in this section is the Kirkton House vinyl tablecloth. You can get the 52-inch by 70-inch and the 60-inch by 84-inch, and it comes in black football print, brown football print, or the green field. And there's also a 70-inch round, and that comes only in the black football print or the brown football print. Now we're heading into the outdoor living and garden section. First up, we have the 10-inch assorted foliage plants, $14.99. We have the 2-inch ceramic bloom. It comes in assorted colors for $4.99. And we have the 4-inch money tree, $9.99. And the last item in this section is the tulips in glass vase. It comes in assorted colors and it's $8.99. Now we're heading into one of my favorite all-time sections, the pet goods section, and it does not disappoint, my friends. First up is the Heart to Tail Canine Couture plush dog toy. I mean, come on. Come on. You can get the cologne bottle, the floral bone, the handbag, and the high heels, perfume bottle, or the sandal for $4.99. How stinking cute! We have the Heart to Tail convertible cat warming mat. It comes in blue, brown, or green, $9.99. We have the Heart to Tail interactive cat scratcher. You can get the um, folding sofa or triangle, $6.99. We have the Heart to Tail luxury pet chair. I mean, come on, we get the pet chair with the perfume and the high heels. You can get the rectangle or the round, $44.99. We have the Heart to Tail luxury reversible pet puffer coat. Oh my God, this is cracking me up. You can get black check, brown check, or herringbone, $9.99. We have the Heart to Tail pet food container. You can get blue checkers or gray bones, $9.99. And we have the Heart to Tail ribbed cuddler bed. You can get it in brown or cream, $14.99. We have the Pure Being salmon jerky treats for $4.99. And the last item in this section is the Pure Being tooth, get it, tooth brush dog chews, $3.59. Now we're heading into the travel and automotive section. We just have two items here, and first up, it's the Live-In Style Everyday Tote. It comes in beige, black, or blue, $19.99. We have the Live-In Style Foldable Utility Tote. It comes in bow, floral, geometric, or leopard for $9.99. Now we're heading into the dairy and deli section. First up, we have the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen heart-shaped cheese pizza for $5.99. And the other item in this section is the Priano heart-shaped cheese ravioli for $3.49. Now we're heading into the frozen food section. First up, we have the Appetitos breaded cheese curds for $4.99. We have the Appetitos pretzel bites. You can choose from cheddar or pepper jack, $2.99. We have the Casa Mamita mini tacos. You can choose from beef, chicken, or veggie, $5.99. We have the Buena 68-ounce Italian beef, $18.99. And we have the Kirkwood Southern Style crispy chicken, $8.99. And friends, this is something very different. I've never seen something like this before, and it's kind of like I'm intrigued. I want to try it, but I'm not sure. It's the Vermont Fish Market breaded shrimp, and you can get the Bavarian pretzel or the chili lime for $5.99. If anybody's ever tried this, or if you do get it and try it, let me know. We have the Vermont Fish Market Boom Boom Shrimp, $5.99. And we have the Vermont Fish Market Pub Style Lobster Bites for $4.99. We have the Sea Cuisine Honey Chipotle Salmon for $7.99. And the last item in this section is the Sasquatch Pizza Company Cheese and Pepperoni Pizza, $8.99. Now we're heading into the pantry section. First up, we have the Stone Mill 4-in-1 Gourmet Seasonings. You have several different seasonings to choose from, only $3.99. We have the Buffalo Wild Wings wing sauce. You can get medium or Parmesan garlic, $3.68. And we have the Berman's sauce. We have three different ones to choose from, $2.89 each. And I love these sauces. I have bought all three of them before. We have the Cholula hot sauce for $3.99. We have Ken's Steakhouse dressing. You can get honey mustard or ranch, $3.29. And we have the Idahoan protein mashed potatoes for $1.98. We have the Tasty Bite entrees. You have three different ones to choose from, and they're only $3.38. We have the Progresso Pit Master Soup. We have 3 different flavors to choose from, $2.48 each. Now we're heading into the snacks section. First up, it's Nabisco Ritz Handy Snacks. You can get Oreo or Ritz, $6.95. We have the General Mills Gardettos. You can choose from original or rye chip for $2.99. And we have the Journey to Grease Crinkle Kettle Chips. You can get rosemary and feta or tzatziki for only $2.19. And friends, the last item for today is the Pringles Snack Stacks Variety Pack. They have cheddar cheese, original and not or and sour cream. They are $10.39. Disclaimer: this content is not affiliated with or sponsored by Aldi. This video is a recreation of the Aldi Finds ad for informational and entertainment purposes only. Prices, products, and availability may vary by store and region. While I strive for accuracy, errors or changes may occur. Prices and details may vary by location. Information is based on the current Aldi Finds ad. Please refer to the official Aldi Finds ad or your local store for confirmation. So, friends, thanks so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button as it does help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much. I'll catch up with you next week with more great Aldi finds. Bye.